The moon's orbit is an ellipse with Earth as one focus. If the maximum distance from the moon to Earth is 405,500 kilometers and the minimum distance is 363,300 kilometers, we're going to find the equation of the ellipse in the Cartesian coordinate system where Earth is at the origin. We will assume that the ellipse has a horizontal major axis and that the minimum distance is achieved when the moon is to the right of Earth. Use 100 kilometer as 1 unit. Okay, so ilagay muna natin sa Cartesian plane yung situation. So let's draw a Cartesian plane. Okay. So this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Now, we're going to place the Earth at the origin. So here is the Earth. It's at the origin. And then, the minimum distance is achieved when the moon is to the right of the Earth. So basically, ito yung path ng moon. So gawan lang natin ng elliptical path yung moon. Okay. Okay, so this is not the best drawing that you could have, pero pwede na din yan. So the moon is here. Sorry, that pantay ito ha. Okay, the moon is here. Yung path ng moon. Okay, so the moon is here. Ito yung minimum distance, which is 363,300 kilometers. But we will be using 100 kilometer as 1 unit. So basically, ito magiging 3,633 units. That is 3,633 units. And then the maximum distance from the moon to Earth is 405,500 kilometers. So we're going to use 100 kilometers 1 unit. Therefore, from this point up to this point, ito, it's the farthest, is 4,055. So from here up to here is 4,055 units. Okay. And then the ellipse has horizontal major axis. So kung horizontal yung major axis, yan, nakahiga siya. So the equation of the ellipse will be x minus h squared over a squared, kasi nasa kanya yung mas malaki, kx kasi nakahiga, horizontal yung major axis natin, plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Okay, this is sabi sa problem, yung Earth daw nasa one focus. So, yung isa pang focus medyo nandito. Isa pang focus is focus number 2. Actually, focus 1 to. So, Earth yung focus 2. Okay? And this, from this point up to this point is also 3,633 units. 3,633 units. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, we need to look for the value of H, value of A, and B. So, para magawa natin yon, kailangan natin munang makuha yung center. Nasaan yung gitna nito? So, we need to compute how long is this. If this is 4,055 units, and this is 3,633 units, so how long is this? So, basically, we're going to subtract. That's 4,055 minus 3,633. So, I'm using my calculator. The answer is 422. So, this is 400... It is 422 units. And when we divide this by 2, we'll have 221. So, this is at 0... This is at negative 211, 0. Sige, ayusin ko. It's at negative 2110. So this is your center. Center is at negative 2110. So this is your H and this is your K. Now we don't have value for A. So how do we get A? Remember, A is the distance from the center to one of its vertices. So from center, one vertex, center, one vertex. The question is, how long is this? This is 3,633. And from this point up to this point is 211. So 211 plus 3633. So that's 211 plus 3,633. The answer is 3844. So mula dito hanggang dito is 3844 units. So that's your value of A. A is equal to 3844 units. And B is this. Mula dito hanggang dito. How do we get that? How do we get the value of B? Okay, let us think about it. How long is B? Now, kung matatandaan nyo, from this one is equivalent to the length of the major axis. This one, 2A. This is 2A. So, ito, 2A. Remember the definition of ellipse? Ellipse, it's the set of points equidistant from two fixed points. The sum of the distance is the same all throughout. So, kung magpunta man ako dito, pag kinuha ko yung distance nito plus distance nito, pag kinuha ko to, distance nito plus ito, equal din sa dito at saka dito. So, ito, pag nandito ako sa dulo, pag ganon, tsaka isang pagdulo, sabi sa isang pinag-arating lemma, equal din sa 2A, buong ito. So, sabihin, ito, 2A ito. Remember, what's 2A? 2A is equal to twice of this. 2A twice of this. So, basically, ang isang length nito is basically the value of A, which is also 3,844. This is 3,844. Now, we're going to look for this height. And this one is 211. So, mag-drawing ako ng bagong triangle para mas malinaw. So, itong triangle na to, i-magnify ko. You will have this triangle. Thicken. Brush. So, ma-magnify ko siya. And this height, this distance over here is 3,844. 844 units. This one over here is 211. Now, the problem is how tall is this? Now, this is 90 degrees. So, we're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. So, this height here, let's say it's B. So, B is equivalent to the square root of this. 3844 squared minus 211 squared. So, I'm going to use my calculator. So, this is 3844 squared plus, minus 211 squared. Then, let's get the square root. So, the answer is approximately, we will be needing the square, right? So, let's not get the square root. So, let's get the square one. Burahin ko lang to. So, burahin ko to. Kasi yung square nga pala yung kailangan natin. Equation nga lang pala. So, let's have this squared. So, B squared is equal to 14731,815. This in units, kasi yung units natin, 1 unit is 100 kilometers. Now, so we already have A And b squared, hindi natin kinuha si b. Okay lang yun, hindi man natin kailangan pa siya. So dito, i-compute na din natin si a squared. So the value of a squared is 3844 squared is 14776,336 units. So therefore, our equation, the equation of the ellipse, we have x minus h is negative 211. So this will become plus 211 squared all over, over 14776,336 units. Again, this is not in kilometers. Plus y minus 0. So basically that's y squared only. Y squared over b. We already got the value of b. The value of b is 1473,1815 units. 1473,1815 units equals 1. And that's it. It's the equation of, I think, the path traveled by the moon. The moon's orbit.